What's up, buds? Today is Saturday, September the 16th. Busy day. I'm doing so much crap around the house. I guess you can say it's like an early reset or what have you. And I'm just bringing y'all along for the ride. Yeah, no. So the bacon is already in the oven. I like my bacon crispy. Yes, this is turkey bacon. So while that is doing its thing, I'm gonna unload the dishwasher. Now that we've got the dishes put away, let's start breakfast. So we're gonna do my all-time fave, banana pancakes. Feeling a little fancy this Saturday, so let's put a couple of drops of raw honey inside of the pancakes and see what it turns out to be. Now it's time for Benz to get a bath. And when it comes to relaxing after a bath, Benz is going to do it every time. Now, it wouldn't be a black household if we didn't do a little hair on a Saturday now. So, big guy wanted his locks refreshed, so we about to get into it. It's so funny to me that my hair is all over my head, but I'm getting him together though. And did you really get your hair done if the oil didn't hit your scalp? Y'all, it's like 9:30, 10 o'clock something. I don't even know. Time's gotten away from me. Stuff's looking blurry. Bottom line is, I just got through doing big guy's hair. And I'm tired because literally I've been doing stuff all day. But now we're about to get ready to shower because it's way past our bedtime. So let's hop in the shower. I'll see y'all when the water falls. I forgot that I wanted to propagate my spider plant. It was on my to-do list for today. And I don't want that one little thing lingering and hanging over my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. So I can say that I actually accomplished everything this Saturday that I wanted to get done. And yeah, so let's propagate the spider plant before we take a shower. Because once I take a shower, I'm not gonna be doing anything else. So see you in a sec when we get to the propagation station. A slight chicken intermission for Big Guy. Now finally back to the spider plant. Isn't she a beauty? Now we've successfully propagated the spider plant. We're gonna let these little guys chill out for a couple of weeks until the roots get longer, and then we'll put them in a pot with soil. Finally, I thought this moment would never get here. Shower time. Thanks for watching, buds. Like, comment, subscribe. XOXO Jams.